Hi everyone, welcome to Formulating Fridays. This is Dusan from Creating Perfume, and I'm joined today by Christie and Kylie. Thank you so much for joining me, ladies. And today we're formulating fragrances we sketched in the previous video, inspired by the legendary cocktail, the Mojito. Now we had some time to think, possibly rethink some of the materials we used for our sketches, and think of a formula. Now, last time we were started off by Christie as she was on her path to discover a classic Mojito accord. So Christie, would you like to do that today as well?
Absolutely. Since I'm the classic, I'm going with the classic. So I didn't change anything in my formula. I'm still going to use peppermint, lime, citrus blossom, and the It's No Secret.
All right, now since we want to differentiate this from the other formulas, we're going to give it a code. It's going to be FF0002A. FF stands for Formulating Fridays, obviously. Now, Christie, whenever you're ready, you can give us the formula.
Okay. We're going to do peppermint, 8 drops. Then we're going to do lime, 50 drops. And then citrus blossom, 30 drops. And then finish it with It's No Secret, 12 drops.
Well, this looks like a plan, so let's make it. Let's shake it.
Okay. I can smell it already.
Oh, isn't it wonderful? It's so effervescent. Christie, I know this is going to turn out absolutely amazing. I cannot wait. I really cannot wait.
I'm excited.
Oh. All right, so we do want to set this aside and not smell it right off the bat. Just give it some time to macerate. Now it's my turn. So if you remember last time, ladies, I took the Mojito idea and I kind of created a story around it about the sunset on the balcony of the house that's surrounded by the woods. And I just felt like the notes that I chose were perfect for it. So I kept them all. So we have peppermint note, lime note, spicy citrus note, citrus blossom note, grapefruit note, amberwood note, mystical woods note, opulent sandalwood note, and of course, It's No Secret. And this will be my formula, FF0002B. All right, here is my formula. Are we ready? Peppermint note, 8 drops. Lime note, 5 drops. Spicy citrus note, 8 drops. Citrus blossom note, 10 drops. Grapefruit note, 15 drops. Amberwood note, 34 drops. Mystical woods, 5 drops. Opulent sandalwood, 5 drops. And It's No Secret, 10 drops. All right, well, there you have it. So let's make it. There we go. All right. Let's shake it up. All right, Kylie, let's hear what you've got.
Okay, so I'm going to do peppermint note first as our top note, and then, of course, lime note, citrus blossom, light floral note, and sweet moss note to round it all out.
Got it. All right, so you did decide not to use these, no secret, right?
Yes, I decided that I didn't want to go with that. I was just going to do all of these to start, and then maybe when we talk about evaluations next week, maybe my mind will change. But for right now, I just want to do this. Maybe there's potential to reformulate in the future.
Absolutely. Your code will be FF0002C. So whenever you're ready, you can share us your formula.
We're going to do peppermint note, 8 drops, lime note, 20 drops, citrus blossom note, 30 drops, light floral note, 22 drops, and sweet moss, 20 drops.
Without further ado, let's make it. there we have it. And now I know that all of us, we just want to dig into the samples and see what they smell like, but here's a suggestion: don't do it. It's just 100 drops, and we do want to give this sample some time to mature. So at least 48 hours. As a matter of fact, we're going to give it approximately a week, ladies, right, before we come back and reevaluate all of them and see, are they going into the right direction? Do we need to readjust anything? Do we need to add or take away? Basically, we're just going to find out what they're starting to turn out like. All right, so don't forget to join us for that video. And thank you so much, ladies, for joining me today. There you go. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We would love to hear from you. So leave your comments or questions in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click on the bell notification button to be informed each time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.